Ka Publishing. We're excited to announce that the Tuesdays collection by gurr is now live through Amazon. To celebrate, our team has made a few videos to share with you, including a poetry reading by gurr herself and a special announcement from our team at the end. To kick things off though, I want to introduce our amazing founder and publisher, Catherine Hardiman.
Thank you, Camille. Little did I know a year ago when me and gurr first met over sushi and she shared her dreams with me, that would lead to us publishing Tuesdays, a poetic anthology of nature, and the 3 chapters into their own breakout editions. B has been an inspiration to me. With her drive, passion, authenticity, and lived experiences, I know this is just the beginning for her. I look forward to the years to come. Now, without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to the fantastic gurr.
It's a Tuesday for the books. I am beyond grateful, elated, and humbled to be here right now with my book in my hands, making a video for my publishing team. This is amazing. I can't even describe. I've put so much intention, so many little moments have led to this, and my mind is just blown. I wouldn't be here though without the support of the people closest to me in my life. You know who you are, and from the bottom of my soul, thank you, and I love you.
Hi there, my name is Christy Maggio. I'm an editor with Ka Publishing, and I'm really excited about the launch of Tuesdays, a poetic anthology of nature. I was really lucky to be able to get to read this book in advance and to get to meet Bea and get to know her a little bit. And she has really crafted a beautiful collection of poetry which explores growth and healing and love, both self-love and loving of others. And it's really easy to see how her witchy roots have bloomed into the beautiful, poetic blossoms that she's collected here. It's a wonderful read with great visuals together with the poetry. Just absolutely fantastic, and I couldn't be more excited to have gotten to be a part of this project.
I hope that this book brings you inspiration to go inward, to go into nature, to transmute what you find and create something beautiful with it. That is my hope. And if you have any experiences that you would like to share with me, I would be thrilled to speak with you. Just shoot me a DM or email. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for your support in getting here. Everyone from my family, my best friends, my publishing team, my reviewers. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna read some poetry, and these poems were selected because I believe that they each represent the chapter that they're taken from in the most robust way. So I really love this poem because it's like a manifestation inception. I just love this poem. This is Throat. He reached for the flowers, the words she was saying, as they peeked out her throat. He wanted her powers, but she was not playing. The magic was in her note. At the top of her tower, you can find her praying every word she ever wrote. divine. Her fears she kept stacked in her spine. Her tears she wept, rather too much at times. Her love was inept, really but rather divine. The way she stepped, lively as moonshine.
Moon, you are the moon, solid and scarred, resisting gravity, pulled into a world that's spinning, partaking of a light you do not know. I am the sun, precariously positioned in your galaxy. 1 inch closer, everything burns. 1 inch farther, hell freezes over, so I burn alone, the star that never burns out. When the moon turns their back, the sun shines all the brighter. I keep you warm, for we belong to the same world. You light the places I cannot reach. For an eternity of rotations, I will love you, the way the sun loves the moon. Always.
Heal. If words could heal wounds, then poetry is the potion. The burns would peel plumes, some quietly and some spoken. Let's affirm good with surreal moons, and I'll agree we have emotion that births full field blooms as vocally as the ocean.
Details about the launch party are coming soon due to the current global pandemic. Our original plans were postponed, so please stay tuned and turn on post notifications on any of the social medias you follow me on, and we'll keep you up to date as we know more.
Hello again, it's Catherine. We hope you enjoyed hearing from everybody. Don't forget to get your copy of Tuesdays, a poetic anthology of nature by B. Gurr from Amazon today, and leave a review if you love it. Now, I'll give you back over to our spectacular editor-in-chief, Camille Crema. Thank you.
Hello again. As promised, the Ka Publishing team has a special announcement that we want to share with you. We are partnering with other poets to host an exclusive virtual poetry reading event, so be on the lookout for more information from us in the upcoming weeks. We also look forward to the day when we can throw an in-person party to celebrate B. Gurr's poetry launch. But until then, thank you for your continued support of Ka Publishing and all the inspiring people we work with. Now go, get your copy of Tuesdays, a poetic anthology of nature. Go on.